Hello and welcome back everyone, Baron here. Today we're gonna make an experiment to lift a glass sheet using some wine glasses, fire, water. With that create a pressure and lift it up. For that we will need some paper towels, a couple of wine glass, water, a lighter and some glass bottles that we will use as weight. So we're gonna start here with wetting a paper towel. We're gonna light some paper on fire. I'm gonna put it down here. Gonna turn it upside down. We can actually hear something happen here. Sounds like it creating a pressure. We're gonna put it down here. No, nothing happened. Okay, we will try one more time. Okay, we can't try the same thing over and over again and expect a different result, so we will use a bigger container with a flat edge, a bigger paper towel. We turn it upside down. Now we don't hear anything at all. Maybe it was just air leaking out before. Hopefully. We'll wait a bit longer. I don't want a failure again. We will try to lift it up. Yeah, it works. It's actually 2.85 kilograms or 6.3 pounds. But I will add some more weights. I'm gonna try to lift it. It works. It's actually about 1.24 kilograms or 3 pounds each for the bottles. We're gonna try one more. That's totally 6.5 kilograms or 14.4 pounds. And it actually works. Great, it's quite uneven and hard to lift because you don't have even weights. It's more to one side. Yeah. So let's try to get rid of this. It's stuck. I'll try. I can hear something while lifting it. It's actually stuck here. Well, I will try to remove the bottles. Now I can hear some air leaking out. But it still sticks. I will try. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. 6.5 kilograms or 40.4 pounds is quite incredible with just some air pressure. See you next week. Bye.